Hi, parents. Um, I am here showing you another activity or another website you can have the kids go and log on to. It's called Think Central, and this is where our math books that we use in class come from, our Go Math. The kids will come, you would type in Think Central, do a search, and I just type in Think Central, and then it normally takes me to this link here, Houghton Mifflin Think Central, and you click on that, and then it'll take you to the login page. And the login page, you'll have to use the drop down to put all this information in, but once you do it the first time, you don't have to go back as long as you click Remember My School. Now the kids sign in is first initial, last initial, lunch number at aldine-isd.org. That's what the kids' login is. And then their password would be their first initial, their last initial, the first initial of their last name, the first initial of their first name, and lunch number. That's going to be their password. So just this part here. And then once you click in, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. The kids are able to view the library, which contains, sorry about that. The kids are able to go into their library, which contain books. They can go to Math Concept Readers, and it has 3 different levels of books. They're the same books, but they're written at different reading levels. And so the books that we would be reading right now for where we are with our skills would be A Nose for News and Numbers, Party Plan by Numbers. So they can click on either of these here if they're reading below grade level. If they're reading on grade level, they'll want to read those books in the blue section. And if they're above grade level, they'll want to read it in the green section. So another way that they can get their literary component in over the Harvey conditions, to give them something to do. They can also go, and there's activities in Mega Math. Blockbusters has where they can do addition, subtraction, regrouping, practice their math skills. One that I would recommend, we go to Counting Critters under Country Countdown. And we've been practicing our double facts with our number talks. So they can do the double facts plus 10 or to 10, or doubles and doubles plus 1, or doubles and doubles plus 1 up to 20. They might say this is really easy for them. So you have double fact families, make 10 to add. All of these things they're able to do because we practice that in class. They do have these number games. Tiny's Think Tank has place value of whole numbers. And this is a really good one for them to practice because that's a skill that we're currently working on. And these are word problems. So if they want to work on addition word problems to 10, subtraction word problems, comparing stories, excuse me, these are great things for them to do. So they can really do anything in here, but we haven't worked on all those skills. So some of the things that I've shown would be great for them to practice and work on the skills that we're currently working on in class. If you have any questions, just let me know. Again, their password and their email address is their first initial of their first name, the first initial of their last name, their lunch number at aldine-isd.org. And then their password is their first initial of their first name, the first initial of their last name, and their lunch number. Okay, see you guys soon. Thank you.